Ever wish you could set up a new application workflow in a few minutes, not hours? You're in luck. Today I'm going to show you all about the Orkes Conductor Template Explorer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Orkes Conductor Template Explorer, what you're going to find there, how to import those templates into your dashboard, and then what to do with them next. Let's jump over to Orkes Conductor so I can show you how this works. I'm going to start by going to orkes.io and clicking on the Start for Free button here at the top. Doing so is going to take me over to the Orkes Developer Edition. The direct URL is developer.orkescloud.com. And that brings you into a developer sandbox. It's your own namespace where you can play around with all these different workflows and see what they do for you. That lands me in the workflow executions pane, and you can see all the other details. So what I'm going to do is scroll down just a little bit here on the left and click on the Template Explorer button. And what you're going to see is a number of pre-made templates. These are template workflows that you can grab and bring in and immediately execute, or at least make a couple tweaks to. That way you can get directly to a use case and see how Orkes works for you, how to use Conductor to build out your workflows, and what the end result should be. For each of the templates on this page, you're going to see a title, a description, in some cases a coding language if that's an appropriate thing for that workflow, the link to the docs where you can see an explanation of what it is, what it does, what it's intended to do, and then most importantly is the import button. By clicking import, we can actually bring the code directly into Conductor without having to do anything else. Then we can make tweaks to it before we run it. As an example, I'm going to bring in the stand-up bot so you can see how this process works. So here in the upper right corner, we'll see the stand-up bot template. I'm going to click on the button that says import. It'll give me a little pop-up window where I need to give it a name, give the workflow name a main name, and then the workflow name itself. I'm just going to use the defaults for today. Hit save, and in a moment, it'll take me directly to the workflow and let me know that this has successfully been imported, and then usually a link to the docs, or in this case, a blog that was originally written on it. I'll hit close, and you can see that immediately I have a workflow in the visualizer, and then all the code necessary for it is already listed here. To try any of these out yourself, just go to developer.orkescloud.com, log in, and you'll be in your own personalized developer sandbox for Orkes Conductor, where you can try out any of the different templates we have listed. And if you have any questions and you want to talk to our community members and others at Orkes about how to use these templates, new templates you'd like to see included, and more, please go to community.orkes.io to visit our discourse community. Thanks for watching. You can check out other videos on this channel by subscribing and viewing all the different playlists and live events we have on a regular basis.